You strive for perfection. Aspire to the gold standard. Spare no effort. You give it everything. We're constantly improving and innovating to remain at the top of our game. Now, introducing the LigaSure Exact Dissector, helping you to stay at the top of yours. The jaws have a low temperature profile and are designed to help reduce thermal spread to surrounding critical structures, while the rapid jaw cool-down time of the device enables secure and atraumatic grasping of tissue. Your success relies on exact precision. So we created a slim, tapered curved jaw, giving you optimum line of sight for precise, blunt dissection, even in the tightest of spaces. Your best performance relies on control and balance. So our intuitive design naturally supports use in either hand, offering precise control through its ideally optimized length. We all aim to be the best. Improved control and efficiency minimize procedural interruptions in the OR. Lead through performance with the LigaSure Exact Dissector. Together, we can achieve a great performance.